The four areas that I always check on are: how are you sleeping, especially the last month or so? That's a really big sign that things may be not going so well. Maybe you are sleeping too much, or maybe you're not able to sleep at all. You're having a hard time shutting your brain off at night, or maybe you cannot stay asleep. So you fall asleep, but then you're only asleep for a couple hours. You get back up, takes you another hour to fall back asleep. So, changes in sleeping patterns is a huge one. The other big one is changes in appetite. So, if you notice that maybe it feels like there's this huge knot in your stomach and you just can't, like, the thought of food is just not appealing to you, that's another big sign. Or sometimes we eat our feelings, and so sometimes we go to the other end of that extreme and we're eating too much. We're using that as a coping skill, so that's another big sign. The other one is changes in concentration. Not just at work. I know some of us can really keep it together for work. We have to stay focused. Maybe we have a very detail oriented job, but also, if you're at home and you are watching a TV show, or maybe you're trying to read a book and you've had to restart this TV show 5 times, right? But this is something that you wanted to watch. You were excited to do it. That's another sign that probably something is going on. You just can't focus. And then sometimes memory. So, like short-term memory. So, you leave the office, you got to stop at the grocery store on the way home. I need milk and eggs. You say this to yourself: I need milk and eggs. And then the next thing you know, you're sitting in your driveway and you're like, I forgot I was supposed to stop for milk and eggs. That can be another sign that something's going on. Sometimes that means that your brain is a little more preoccupied with everything else to pay attention to that kind of stuff. So those are the four main areas I always check on.